Hello, welcome to TheMix Shop Review. My name is Colette Matriga and today I'm happy to tell you about the Varoma Bundt tins. Now these tins are made out of high quality aluminium and they're coated in our signature non-stick rose gold coating. They come in two sizes. We have a 1.2 size and a 2-litre size. Now you can use these just as you would use any other beautiful Bundt tin in your kitchen. Now today I actually whipped up a lovely date cake in the little Bundt tin and popped it in the oven to cook. Now these Bundt tins are quite happy in the oven and can cook up to temperatures of 230 degrees. So that's great. Now let's take this a little bit further. What makes them super special and why have they got the name the Varoma Bundt tin? Simply because these guys fit inside your Varoma. Think of the possibilities. Now, what you can do, think about curry in a hurry. You can be doing a beautiful butter chicken in the base of your Thermomix or in your Thermomix bowl, and you could set your Varoma on top and pop in, for example, for a large family, the 2-litre one. And you can then pop your rice in here and any aromats that you like. So you could think of some cumin seeds, some onions that's been sauteed, some coconuts. You're going to get such flavour in your rice. Pop the lid on and let it steam away. So literally within 40 minutes you'll be sitting down to eat a wonderful meal that's taking you next to no time to prepare. You can also pop the little guy into your Varoma and you can pop the tray on top and steam something else at the same time. So great for your multi-layered cooking. So don't just think about steaming rice. You can do so much more in these beautiful Bundt tins. You can do, for example, a lovely chili con carne in your Thermomix and steam a gorgeous cornbread on top. You can also steam cakes. Better for your health because you can use less sugar and less oil. But think about, there's one on Cookie Doo which I love, which is the steamed chocolate cake with pears, and that's a Bundt tin recipe. So the other great thing to keep in mind is that these are PFAC free, so that's really good for us, and they are so cool. So have a look at them, think about how you might use them. You can use them as a traditional Bundt tin for baking in the oven, or you can actually take them and use them in your Varoma and steam all sorts of goodies in here at the same time that something is cooking in your Thermomix bowl. How cool. So go check them out in our mix shop and see whether it's something that you need in your kitchen. My name's Colette Matriga. Thank you for hopping by today. I look forward to seeing you again real soon. Bye for now.